Poor pronunciation equals missing opportunities. You need to stop mispronouncing the past simple of regular verbs. And this is how you do it. There are 3 possible ways in which you can pronounce the suffix ed. They are id, t, or d. Let's see when you have to pronounce one or the other. All the verbs in this list have something in common. All of them end either with the sound T or the sound D. For example, add, lift, end, rest, they all end in T or D. Therefore, when you add the suffix ed, you have to pronounce it as id. I mean, added, lifted, ended, rested, defended, waited, pretended, and wanted. But what happens if the last sound of the verb in infinitive is P, K, F, S, SH, which is pronounced as sh, or TCH, which is pronounced as ch? Like for example in the words drop, lock, laugh, dance, wish, watch. In these cases, when you add the suffix ed, you have to pronounce it as t. I mean, dropped, locked, laughed, danced, wished, watched. And finally, what happens if the verb in infinitive ends with the sounds b, g, m, z, which is pronounced as z, and l? As we can see in the examples, disturb, drag, aim, cause, and mailed. The pronunciation of the suffix in these cases is d. This is how these verbs should be pronounced: disturbed, dragged, aimed, caused, mailed. If you like this video and you want more like this, don't forget to follow. And if you have any comments, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Until next video, have a great time.